Hello, kids. Welcome to Kanchan's Learning World. Today we are going to learn with E sound two-letter words. So let us start. Aid, 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 ain, 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 egg, 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 eight, 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 eight. So these are the four sounds that starts with E letter. Okay, and these are very important. So be very careful when you're pronouncing the sound of E. E says A. E says A. So keep learning and keep practicing because this sound is very, very important in phonics. So hope you enjoy and keep practicing and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.